If you're struggling to get enough surveys, high-paying ones, or frequent opportunities, here's how you can unlock more. I have 5 key tips, including 2 that most people don't talk about, especially regarding Prolific. First, complete your About You section fully and truthfully. Prolific uses this information to match you with relevant surveys, so if it's incomplete, you'll miss out on many opportunities. However, most people don't realize that this section changes regularly. Prolific updates it as new survey providers join, looking for specific demographics. If you don't update your details frequently, you may miss out on new surveys that require recent data. The more detailed and accurate your responses, the more surveys you'll qualify for. Factors like income, living situation, and health history can unlock higher paying studies. If you've had unique experiences, you might access specialized, better paying surveys. Completing your profile also helps you avoid being screened out of surveys, preventing wasted time. Your location plays a big role in how many surveys you receive. If you move, update your profile because many surveys are region-specific. Prolific pays in Great British pounds, so your earnings will depend on exchange rates. Many universities and researchers target specific nationalities for their studies. When I improved my profile, my hourly earnings increased from around $9 to $12, which made a noticeable difference. My total earnings on Prolific are over $190, but some surveys were rejected. If I dedicated more time, I could have earned significantly more. One key tip that many overlook is that surveys fill up fast. It's not just about having a complete profile, you need to act quickly. High-paying surveys often come in small batches, so be ready to grab them. You also need to choose wisely. Shorter surveys sometimes pay more per hour, while longer ones provide higher total earnings. If you pick a short survey, the longer one may be gone by the time you finish, so plan accordingly. To maximize your earnings, keep Prolific open throughout the day. If you have a second monitor, dedicate one screen to the studies page while working on other tasks. If not, split your screen to monitor new surveys while doing something else. Another helpful tool is the Prolific Assistant Chrome extension, which notifies you when new surveys become available. Sometimes, it even alerts you before studies appear on the site, giving you an edge. However, it's not always reliable, so don't depend on it entirely. You can also turn on email notifications, but emails can be delayed or sent to spam, making them less effective for grabbing time-sensitive surveys. If a survey email arrives even 30 minutes late, it may already be full. That said, niche studies may stay open longer, so checking your email occasionally can still help.